Have you ever made a batch of freezer jam and then tasted it and thought, this just tastes like sugar? Let me show you a better way. This is jam in a jiffy, and it will make you the easiest and best freezer jam you have ever had. Jam in a jiffy is not a plain pectin like Sure-Gel or ball pectin. It's a totally new experience. It's a complete no-cook freezer jam. Just add your crushed fruit and stir. I'm Naomi, and welcome back to the Cornaby's Kitchen. All right, let's go make some jam. We are going to use strawberries today, but you can use almost any fruit you want, fresh or frozen. All we need is a bag of jam in a jiffy and our containers. We're going to start with 2 pounds of lightly mashed strawberries. I'll typically mash them by hand, so I still have some of the original fruit texture in the finished jam. Now we'll just dump in our packet of jam in a jiffy and give it a quick stir. It'll sit for about 5 minutes while we prepare our containers. Each bag will make about 6 cups. You can refrigerate it for 3 weeks or put it in freezer-safe containers to store for about a year. The best part is no matter when you enjoy it, it'll still taste just as fresh as the day you made it. Yum! All right, our first use may sound a little obvious, but I bet you haven't ever done it. Freezer jam in a smoothie. Since it's already sweetened and thickened, it has the amazing strawberry flavor, and we can just add a scoop of jam and omit the fresh berries and sweeteners, and the result is unreal. I love to make this as a low-carb, high-protein smoothie for breakfast or dessert. I use our jam, unsweetened almond milk, Greek yogurt, vanilla protein powder, and a handful of ice. If you want it a little sweeter, you can always use our allulose, which is a zero-carb, plant-based sweetener. This smoothie is delicious, and with our pre-made jam, it only takes 2 minutes from start to finish. Make sure to catch the recipe in the blog post linked below. I know we all love a fresh baked pastry, but they can be so intimidating to make and take a long time too. I'm going to share an awesome hack to make these amazing pastries in less than 30 minutes. You simply get some pre-made puff pastry and fill it with our strawberry jam. If you want to jazz it up, you can add cream cheese or hazelnut spread for added flavor. It's quick, easy, and a great way to impress your friends and family. The key part of a good hand pie is a filling that will bake without turning into liquid and bubbling out and making a mess. The pectin in jam in a jiffy stays stable in the oven, even when it heats up, unlike a lot of store-bought jams. Life gets so busy, but I still love cooking for my family, and being able to make a treat this easily has saved me so many times. Now we'll just pop them in the oven for 20 minutes, and just like that, they're done. Just look, it's a perfect filling and a crispy, flaky pastry. Didn't the Sunday morning just get so much better? This last use is so simple, it almost feels like cheating. All you have to do is spoon it over your ice cream and top it with whipped cream if you're feeling fancy, and just enjoy it. And that's it, friends. I hope you try some jam in a jiffy this summer. It can truly change your entire jam game. Tag us with your favorite creations and even your jam straight out of the jar. We at Cornaby's believe everyone deserves healthy, yummy food all year long. Thank you for joining me at the table. And don't forget to join our newsletter for weekly discounts and more recipes to come and bring to your family. See you next time.